it's Ashley from Nana Tree Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Daebox snacks. So this is a unique snack subscription. There's many boxes that are Japanese snacks, Korean snacks. What Daebox does is they take you on a tasting trip around Asia. So you'll get boxes, you'll get snacks from many of the countries in Asia each month. There are 9+ snacks in here. It's free shipping within the US. They're $28 monthly with reduced prices for longer terms. So I don't know what's in here. I do love this. I think the box is really nice, but it's big. I don't know what's in here. So this is the May box. We hope you enjoyed the snacks in this month's box. The countries included are Japan, South Korea, Thailand, and Taiwan. And then you take this off and flip it over to learn about the snacks. I didn't get pictures to do a tasting review. I'm so sorry. If you are interested, I'm going to do the full review, and I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Daebox snacks so you can check them out. So our first item, these are Japanese. These are rice crackers, himamaru. So there's that. We'll pull the paper off after and look at it, but for right now, we're just going to show the package. This is a large pack. So this is 3.45 ounces. I buy these all the time. I eat these. Oh my gosh, I get there's like a 3-pack. I can sit literally and eat 3 of them and then still want more. They're just so good. It's roasted seaweed. Sometimes it's flavored. This looks like it's just the natural, like a salt. So this is all natural from sea nature. These are so good. So good. If you like salty, that's the one for you. Sweet potato shaped snacks. Ooh. That's all I can decipher from here. This looks like Korean. So there's that. Then we got these Ace, looks like little crackers. Ooh, it's a whole package. Look at these. Ooh, for coffee and tea. Yo, cat, what are you doing? And then we've got this really cute looking pack. I guess these are little cookies with figures on them, like characters. Isn't that cute? Oh, Haichu. This is the mango flavored Haichu. Everybody knows about this. If you don't, when you see these at the store, sometimes you'll see them in regular grocery stores. They're amazing and delicious. It's like a taffy, chewy and fruity though. Ooh, lychee candy. If you've never had lychee fruit, so good. So these are sweet and delicious hard candies. This is a Japanese candy. I'll keep these and keep them on hand for the kids. They're so good. Wasabi peas. All right, so these are kasugai roasted hot green peas. These are what we would always call wasabi peas. Actually, it's sad. I had a friend who passed away. Every time I see wasabi peas, we used to get these, my dad and my brother and I, and we would eat them. And when our friend came over, he ate some, and he was allergic. That's how he found out he was allergic to wasabi. So you can be, apparently. But these are delicious, and they're spicy, and the flavor goes right up your nose, just like wasabi should. Oh, and then finally, look what we got here. Classic Pocky, chocolate covered, delicious. I won't say anything bad about Pocky. All right, so let's find out a little more about each of our snacks. Oops. Okay. So the rice crackers are from Japan. They're full of sweet, salty, and spicy goodness. These crunchy rice crackers are so addicting that you can't help but eat more. Roasted seaweed, we know all we need to know about that. Crunchy, flaky, and salty seaweed sheets. The smidgen of salt and the nuttiness of sesame oil perfectly satisfy your savory cravings. I'm a savory snacker, you guys know that, but I always share the sweet ones with my kids. I'm going to put, we all know about Pocky. And the Haichu, we know about you, Haichu. Haichu! Haichu! You want some Haichu? You want some Haichu? Okay. The wasabi peas. Well, kasugai, maybe I don't even know what they are. Savory, crispy peas dipped in fried in batter. It has a sharp, clean heat that is slow to burn, but quickly disappears, leaving a refreshing aftertaste. The fun character cookies. These are called Bingray Pororo cheese. Ooh, they're cheese flavored. Slightly sweet, crunchy cracker with a very light, pleasant cheese flavor that is almost like a mild cheese dip. The Ace crackers. These are Hatay Ace crackers, crispy and flaky like a Korean Ritz cracker. So they're great with tea and, stuff like that. What do we have left? Oh, the potato, Cosmos sweet potato shaped snacks. Glazed chips with a nutty and honey flavor. These don't contain any potatoes, so don't let the name fool you. Weird, right? But still delicious. And then the lychee candy. Kasugai lychee candy. Sweet and smooth candies made from the exotic lychee fruit. Many say these morsels taste a bit like pears. So there you go. That is everything I received in my Daebox. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Daebox so you can check them out. As always, I'll see you guys next time. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye.